Dear friends, welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to check if you have violated the rules on Facebook. Whether you are an active user of this social network or manage a business page, it is important to understand the rules to avoid potential penalties. Below, I will guide you step by step on how to check your activities and determine if you are in compliance with Facebook's rules. Without further ado, let's begin the process. First, open the Facebook application on your device. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. After that, tap on the Help and Support option. Once you've done that, now tap on the Support Inbox option, then select Your Alerts. In this section, Facebook will inform you about all the essential information related to your account, including any rule violations that have been detected. If you find any warnings or notifications about rule violations, it is important to carefully read the details and take appropriate steps to resolve the situation and ensure that your account remains in compliance with Facebook's rules. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.